Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the first part of the assignment. So basically I'm going to give you 4 screens from one of my latest UI kits. And what I need you to do is to create a presentation for UI 8. So let's go on UI 8 real quick and let's see what I'm referring to. So this is my profile account in UI 8 and I am doing some freebies for UI kits. So this is an example of a freebie. So as you can see, there is these main images, and then you can also see on the preview, if you click on it, you're going to see this preview overall. So basically, what we're going to do here is to recreate this. So for each freebie, I have a sketch file, and it has 4 screens. And I need you to do the presentation for this. So once I hand you the sketch file, I need the presentation, which it's pretty simple. We just need a feature image, the small previews, and the big previews, which are divided into 2 sections, and also the hero image, which the hero image is basically, you can barely see it, it's like this top header. So what you need to do here is once I send you the whole thing, I need you to substitute the images over here. So as you can see, I used a fill. You can simply go on fill, choose image, and then you can change the image according to the screen that I sent you. And I also need you to change the name and the typography. And this is very important because maybe in these screens I'm using a font called Open Sans, and here is Lato. So as you can see, it's different. So you need to change it according to the same font that I'm using in the screens, so that the experience is consistent. And I need you to do the same in here. So also these are already Open Sans, but yeah, all the typography needs to be with the same font as the screens. So yeah, this is quite important. And yeah, just double check each and every layer. So also in the big previews, this needs to be the same typography, this needs to be the same typography, and so on. And yeah, this is basically it. After that, you simply have to substitute the images. So use exactly the same structure as you see here. The structure is already outlined. I just need you to change the images and just make it look good, in a good composition. And yeah, then after that, just send me this sketch file, and also update the features maybe over here. Look at it's very likely that I already have the full UI kit available if you're doing the freebie right now. So just look on my profile, just go on my UI 8 profile and look at the final UI kit, which is the big one with usually more than 40 screens. Just look at the features and try to see what's matching, and something that is consistent overall. And yeah, this is basically it. In the second part of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create the Adobe XD version of the file. And yeah, this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm always happy to help.